Have you ever seen a video with nice blooming highlights and you think, whoa, that's super cinematic? How do I do that on my footage? Well, get ready to make your footage super cinematic because it's a super simple effect. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Corey from CNS Media, and today we're going to be covering the oh-so-cinematic blooming highlights effect. There's filters for your lenses that will help you achieve this look, like Moment's Cine Bloom filter. These can be costly, and obviously when you're shooting with these kind of filters on your lenses, they are baked into your footage and you don't have control of the desired effect. I would highly recommend you investing into one of these filters if you are interested in achieving this look, but in the spirit of saving money and having control over your footage, let's dive into Premiere Pro to achieve the same look that these filters do. First, with your imported clips in your timeline, we're going to want to duplicate your footage by holding down the Option key and dragging your clip above onto the second track. Go to your effects panel and search for the Luma Key. Make sure the duplicated clip is selected and then double-click the Luma Key to apply it to the selected clip. Next, search for the Gaussian blur in the effect panel and apply it to the duplicated clip. And now, let's start building this effect. Go to the effect controls in your selected clip, and in the Luma Key settings, set your threshold to 88% and the cutoff to 85. The cutoff percentage might vary depending on your clip, but I found that these settings work well. Next, we'll go down to the Gaussian blur settings, and we'll set the blurriness to around 300. As you can see, the highlights are now blooming and your footage is now beautiful. If this is too intense for your liking, you can always adjust the opacity of the duplicated clip to decrease the strength of this effect. This is all just personal preference, and it all comes down to what you, the creator, likes. We can take this effect one step further if you're really trying to mimic that filmic look by adding halation. In Premiere Pro, create an adjustment layer and bring it above the clips on your timeline. Search for the channel blur effect in your effect panel and add it to the selected adjustment layer. Let's set the red blurriness to around 50, and you should now see a red outline around your footage. To complete the halation effect, select lighten in your blend mode. And there you go, you've just added bloom and halation to your footage and it is looking tasty. If you learned anything new from today's tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe as I'll be releasing some new videos in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.